How to fix WhatsApp? Sorry, this media file doesn't exist. First of all, go ahead and open settings. Scroll down, open apps. Now select app management from top of the screen. Now using the search bar at top of the screen, type in WhatsApp and access the app info section of WhatsApp. Tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Next step is tap permissions and make sure that you allow all apps permission, especially photos and videos. Next is tap manage notification and make sure to toggle the button on for manage notifications. If all of this step didn't work, you need to reinstall the app. Simply tap and hold WhatsApp and tap on uninstall button. Tap on install and it will be uninstalled. Reinstall from your Play Store and then restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and simply to swipe towards restart and your issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments and don't forget to subscribe.